I'm going to embroider this simple design today using satin stitch and stem stitch. I will begin with stem stitch, a very simple stitch. The thread should be on the left hand side. Just pick up a little bit, that's all. Take small stitches. The thread should be on your left hand side. Just pick up a little bit, that's all. A simple stitch, thread on the left hand side. For the leaves, I am going to use the same shade of blue and I will use satin stitch, a very simple stitch. Do not leave too much gap between two stitches. A very simple stitch and looks very nice once completed. After filling in the leaves with satin stitch, I have taken this shade of blue and I am going to do the outline using stem stitch. Simple stitch, small stitches. The thread should be on your left hand side. The thread should always be on your left hand side. Simple stitch. Just the border for all the leaves using stem stitch. Just the border using stem stitch. The stitches should be small. Most of you are familiar with stem stitch, I suppose. With the same shade of blue, the one which I have used for the border, I am going to fill up this side using satin stitch. I have started from the center of the petal using the same thread, using the same colored thread. Satin stitch, again shouldn't be too much of gap between two stitches. Each petal I will do separately. I will start from the center of each petal. First I will complete one side, then I'll put the needle down, again start from the center and complete the other side. This is the way I am going to fill up this part of the flower. Again I will put the needle down and come up from here, the center of the next petal. First I'll do this half and then I am going to do the other half. Very simple. For this part of the flower, I have used another shade of blue. Over here also simple satin stitch, just filling in. Simple satin stitch you have to do. The only thing is that you have to be very careful. There shouldn't be too much of gap between two stitches. That's all. Simple satin stitch. Do not leave too much of gap between two stitches. Only then the embroidery will look nice. With another shade of blue. That is all. A simple stitch. For this also I am going to use a third shade of blue. After completing the flower with different shades of blue and using satin stitch, I am going to do the outline using stem stitch, which is a very simple stitch which most of you are familiar with. After completion, the design will look like this. A very simple design using only satin stitch and stem stitch. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe.